Now we are going to discuss a comparison of animal and plant cell. There is an animal cell and a plant cells. Both have cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, ribosomes, nucleus. These are the structures that are found in animal cells as well as in plant cell. On the other hand, plant cell have three additional structures that are chloroplast, cell wall, and large vacuole. These are the three structures that are found only in plant cell. Summary of the lesson: plant cell and animal cell, they have some structures that are cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, ribosome, and nucleus. And there are some additional structures that are found only in plant cell that are chloroplast, cell wall, and large vacuole. The end.